Hey there, fellow travelers. Today, we're taking a virtual trip to the sunny shores of Jamaica to explore the Oasis at Sunset Montego Bay. This all-inclusive beachfront resort is a hidden gem that promises a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. So, grab your imaginary piña colada, and let's dive into what makes this Caribbean paradise tick. Let's start with the rooms, shall we? Oasis at Sunset Montego Bay offers a variety of accommodations to suit every traveler's needs. From cozy standard rooms to spacious family suites, there's something for everyone. The standard rooms are designed with comfort in mind, featuring air conditioning, cable TV, and even ceiling fans for that authentic tropical feel. But if you're looking to splurge a little, the Beachfront Butler Deluxe and Premier Guest Rooms are where it's at. These fancy digs come with exclusive butler services that'll make you feel like royalty. Imagine having your own personal assistant to unpack your luggage, set up your favorite drinks in the minibar, and even offer you a pillow menu. Talk about living the high life. All rooms boast either stunning beach views or lush garden vistas, so you'll be waking up to paradise every single day. And let's not forget about those newly renovated rooms with chic decor that screams Caribbean flair. It's like stepping into a tropical magazine spread, but you get to actually live in it. Now let's talk about food because let's face it, that's half the reason we go on vacation, right? Oasis at Sunset Montego Bay doesn't disappoint in the culinary department. With 9 dining options exclusive to Oasis guests, plus access to 6 additional restaurants at the adjoining Sunset Beach Resort, you'll be spoiled for choice. We're talking about a gastronomic journey around the world without ever leaving the resort. From local Jamaican specialties that'll make your taste buds dance to international cuisines that'll satisfy even the pickiest eaters, there's something for everyone. And don't worry about the kiddos. They've got kid-friendly menus across all dining venues. But here's the kicker, 7 bars, including swim-up bars. Yes, you heard that right. You can sip on a refreshing cocktail without ever leaving the pool. Now that's what I call vacation goals. And to top it all off, there's live Jamaican entertainment nightly. So you can feast your eyes and ears while you feast on delicious food. Just remember to make reservations for those specialty restaurants. You don't want to miss out on the good stuff. Speaking of pools, let's dive into the aquatic offerings at Oasis at Sunset Montego Bay. The resort boasts multiple pools shared between Oasis guests and the adjacent resorts. While they don't specify the exact sizes or depths, maybe they're trying to keep it mysterious, you can bet your bottom dollar that there's plenty of space for everyone to splash around. And remember those swim-up bars we mentioned? Yeah, they're integrated right into the pool areas. So you can literally swim up to your next tropical drink. It's like a water park for adults, but classier. The pools are generally open during daylight hours year-round, thanks to Jamaica's enviable climate. And don't worry about packing pool towels. The attentive beach and pool attendants have got you covered. Literally. But wait, there's more. The resort is nestled right on a sandy beachfront along Jamaica's picturesque coastline, adjacent to the Montego Bay Marine Park. While they're a bit coy about the exact length of the beach, it's described as having ample space shared between sister properties. This means you've got plenty of room to work on that tan, build sandcastles, or just lounge like a sun-soaked starfish. And for the more adventurous types, there are water sports activities like snorkeling and kayaking available through hotel arrangements. So, whether you're a beach bum or a water sports enthusiast, you'll find your happy place here. Now let's talk about activities, because lounging by the pool is great and all, but sometimes you need a little action. The resort offers a variety of recreational activities to keep you entertained. While they're a bit tight-lipped about the specifics of their fitness center, maybe it's where they keep all their secrets, you can expect standard gym facilities befitting an all-inclusive resort of this caliber. And if pumping iron isn't your thing, fear not. There are plenty of other ways to stay active. Take a dip in the Caribbean Sea, try your hand at snorkeling, or maybe even attempt to master the art of kayaking. Just don't be surprised if you end up going in circles. It happens to the best of us. For those seeking ultimate relaxation, the spa at Oasis at Sunset Montego Bay is your ticket to bliss. While they're keeping the exact details of their spa menu under wraps, perhaps to maintain an air of mystery, you can expect a range of treatments typical of Caribbean resorts. Think massages using local oils and spices that'll transport you to a state of tropical nirvana. And while they're not explicitly mentioned, it's safe to assume there are relaxation areas consistent with regional spa standards. So go ahead and treat yourself to a little pampering. After all, you're on vacation. Now, if you're traveling with little ones, you'll be pleased to know that Oasis at Sunset Montego Bay is super family-friendly. They've got a kids club that runs daily, offering supervised fun programs tailored for younger guests. While they're a bit vague on the exact operating times, maybe they're on island time, you can rest assured that your kiddos will be entertained. From arts and crafts to beach games, there's plenty to keep the little ones occupied while you sneak off for that much-needed massage or cocktail by the pool. And don't forget about those family suites we mentioned earlier. Perfect for when you need a bit more space to spread out and avoid stepping on Lego pieces in the middle of the night. If you're the type who likes to explore beyond the resort walls, you're in luck. Oasis at Sunset Montego Bay is perfectly positioned near some of Jamaica's most popular attractions. Just a stone's throw away, well, more like a 3 kilometers taxi ride, is the Montego Bay Marine Park, a snorkelers and divers paradise. If you're more of a beach bum, the famous Doctor's Cave Beach is only about 6 kilometers away. History buffs will love the Rose Hall Great House, a historic plantation house museum about 10 kilometers from the resort. And for those who can't resist a bit of retail therapy, the hip strip shopping and dining district is a mere 7 kilometers away. The hotel can arrange excursions and tours to all these spots, so you don't have to worry about the logistics. Just sit back, relax, and let them do all the planning. So what's the verdict on Oasis at Sunset Montego Bay? Well, it's safe to say that this resort offers a solid mix of relaxation, adventure, and authentic Jamaican hospitality. The friendly staff and lively atmosphere create that irie vibe that Jamaica is famous for. The diverse dining options, beautiful beachfront location, and range of activities make it a great choice for both families and couples looking for a Caribbean getaway without breaking the bank. However, like any resort, it's not without its quirks. Some guests have noted the lack of elevators, which can be a bit of a hassle if you're traveling with young children or have mobility issues. And while the staff is generally praised for their friendliness, there have been occasional reports of slow response times for certain requests. But hey, you're in Jamaica. Maybe it's just an opportunity to embrace that laid-back island lifestyle. What really makes Oasis at Sunset Montego Bay stand out is its commitment to providing a personalized experience. The butler service in select beachfront rooms is a unique touch that adds a dash of luxury to your stay. It's not every day you get your own personal assistant to handle everything from unpacking your luggage to giving you a private tour of the resort. The resort also shines when it comes to entertainment. With weekly live Jamaican music performances, you'll get a true taste of the local culture right at your doorstep. It's like having your own private concert every night. And let's not forget about those spectacular sunsets that give the resort its name. There's nothing quite like sipping a cocktail on the beach while watching the sun dip below the horizon, painting the sky in a riot of colors. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.